I wonder what the box would look like without the fragile sticker. Road Bicycle Build, inspired by Mighty Car Mods. But let's face it, who can afford to actually modify a car? So let's see what's in the box. It appears to be the carbon fiber bike frame that I ordered.
Yeah. Can't believe I've never told you I play bass.
Really?
Oh yeah. I slap the bass big time.
What do you...
Now that's a good looking frame.
She's a babe!
And here's the seat post. From this angle, it looks like something else.
After I graduated, I had a lot of different jobs. I was a road worker, a janitor, a security guard,
I swear this is the last clip of me unwrapping stuff. And now for the rear cassette. Attempting to line up the spline on the rear hub with the notches in the rings of the cassette. Using the lock ring tool, tighten down the rear cassette. Thread the bottom bracket by hand to avoid gulling. And now I'm showing you the other side of the bottom bracket. Put a little grease on to make sure that it doesn't seize.
Oh, twisty!
Now I'm going to use an adapter and my trusty bottom bracket tool to tighten the bottom bracket. Slide the crankshaft through the bottom bracket. Now flip over the bike and attach the crank arm on the other side. Alternate tightening the two bolts on the crank arm. And don't forget the cap.
Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride it where I live.
Let's mount that rear derailleur. It's time for a bubble wrap brake. Still not bicycle weather outside, so back to the bike build.
Man, all I wanna do is bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. Races are coming your way, so forget all your duties. Oh yeah. Bottom girls, they'll be riding today, so look out for those beauties. Oh yeah. On your marks, get set, go! Bicycle race, bicycle race, bicycle race. Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, 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 bicycle. I want a bicycle race.
I wouldn't recommend cutting it freehand like I'm doing. Makes it a little messy. There's lots of tips and tricks and different tools that you can use for a nice straight cut. You may be wondering why I installed my front derailleur and rear derailleur before my handlebars. That's because I was waiting for several weeks for the handlebars and stem to come in the mail.
Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby.
Alright, stop, collaborate and listen. I sit back with my brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly, flow like a harpoon daily and nightly.
Will it ever stop?
Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle. Dance, crush a speaker that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly, when I play a dope melody. Anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it, you better gain weight. You better hit bullseye, the kid don't play. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it.
Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby.
In this clip, you can see me with my chain tool, shortening the chain length. Just follow the manual to determine the appropriate length, and then reassemble the chain back on the bike.
Seen a day break, leaning on my pillow in the morning. Lazy day in bed, music in my head, crazy music playing in the morning light. Oh, ho, ho, it's magic, you know. Never believe it's not so.
Well, near the end of this project, it was a lot of fun. And now I'm going to show you the final product, ready to be ridden outside. And now I leave you with one of my favorite clips.
People of Isla, first order of business is changing the name of this country. It's now called Bananarama, and the national anthem is Venus. Pedro, hit it! Now dance! I said dance, you're all terrible! Except you, you're good. Everybody do what he's doing.